Ready to blow your mind with some cool science experiments? Let's start with a classic baking soda volcano. Mix baking soda with vinegar and watch it fizz. Next up, we have the magic milk experiment. Pour milk into a plate and add drops of food coloring. Then, add a drop of dish soap and watch the colors swirl. Now, let's create a homemade lava lamp. Fill a bottle with water, then add oil and food coloring. Watch as the colored water bubbles up through the oil. Next, let's try the egg in a bottle trick. Light a piece of paper and drop it in the bottle. The egg will get sucked in as the flame goes out. Now, let's make homemade ice cream in a bag. Combine cream, sugar, and vanilla in a small bag. Place that bag in a larger bag filled with ice and salt. Shake it for about 10 minutes and enjoy your ice cream. Finally, let's create a rainbow in a jar. Use different sugar solutions to create layers. Watch as they form a beautiful rainbow effect.